It's an incredible opportunity to be amongst world leaders and to be experiencing the latest innovations and technologies. And I think that one of the important things about Arab Health is it gives such great exposure for healthcare workers and for manufacturers, so that's particularly interesting. And in my field, which is infection control, there are going to be so many issues in this particular region in the next decade or so where we have issues like antimicrobial resistance, and we really need to work hard to do better infection control and to look after our patients safely and our healthcare workers. So thank you for this opportunity. It means the world to me to be here today. Well, I think that the issues that will impact the healthcare industry will just be a need for smarter, more innovative solutions that use new technologies, nanotechnologies and other things like that. So there will be those issues around production. There'll also be biological issues, so resistant organisms and new bugs that we don't even know about probably. In my field, I think that there'll be much more public awareness about the importance of infections in hospital and infections in healthcare workers. So we'll be working very hard to make sure that patient safety is as good as we can possibly make it, and we can only ever do that in combination with governments, with medical manufacturers and clinicians. And I know that all of them are here at Arab Health 2018.